Welcome to Ujjayi Breathing, part of our Pranayama series. You've chosen a powerful technique that not only calms the mind, but also enhances focus and promotes relaxation. This breathwork method is effective in reducing stress and creating a soothing internal environment. It's perfect for grounding yourself and boosting overall well-being. Let's find your position. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply through your nose. Gently constrict the back of your throat, as if you're fogging up a mirror. This will produce a soft, whispering sound. If you're familiar with Star Wars, it might sound a bit like Darth Vader. You might notice a slight downward movement or sensation in your throat as you do this correctly. Exhale slowly through your nose, keeping the throat constriction. Your throat should stay in the same position as during the inhale and not move. Listen to the calming sound of your breath. Remember to focus on the soothing whispering sound of your breath. Let's try now. Inhale, constricting back of throat. And exhale through the nose. Keep the same throat constriction. Great. One more inhale. And now exhale. I will leave you now to practice for 5 minutes, periodically checking in, and to remind you when time is up. Follow the on-screen guidance. Begin now. Focus on the soothing whispering sound of your breath. You're doing wonderfully. Keep it up. You have 1 minute remaining. Thanks for joining us for the Ujjayi practice. Return to this technique to deepen your experience and enjoy its full benefits. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, or subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day.